right now I'm gonna show you my room. Yeah, these are my doors from the outside. And this is my room when Jack is out of his kingdom. Yeah, there it is. His things. Yeah. Yeah. Hi. And yeah, you know the cat, but I have to show you this. I got it from my father. That should be me. Yeah. I definitely don't snore like that. Yeah, my den, know it. All the flashy things. I like them really much. My bed. Yeah, Jack. Hi. Come on. No, he's not speaking English. Yeah. Here it is. His bowl. Yeah. Ah, I have to show you this one also. Yeah. That's not me too. And my scanner, yeah, I was doing some things for school. And this is from my sister. She gave me that from school. It should be a guinea pig. Yeah, of course. And yeah, here are some others. Yeah, what we have there. Oh, yeah, no surprise. It is. Then computer and all my writings. Yeah, I always write it in everything I find. Yeah, my phone, which is not working right now. Yeah, from my grandfather. And Froggy from my sister for good luck. I had it on my exams. My favorite magazine. Yeah. And some random papers. Right now these are for university. And yeah, some other important papers I have there. This is the invitation to Prague. I told you about it. Now my nice decorations from Italy. Yeah, I really like them. And yeah, my doors from the inside. No surprise here. So Jack, what will you tell us? Huh? Nothing? Okay. So yeah, my wardrobe. Some other decorations. Yeah, my Yoda thing. It's not talking anymore. Pity. Yeah, so see you later.